Hey there YouTube, France Hopper here, and today I have a slightly different unboxing for you. Today, we're gonna unbox groceries. That's right, groceries. We are unboxing groceries today because... Game on, Amazon. Game on. That's right, Kroger now has a new ship-to-home. So basically you go on there, you pick what you want, you load up a box. If you spend $35, at least when I did it, you get free shipping. And it arrives in about 2 business days. If you don't have $35 worth of stuff, it's just $5 to ship, which is just 5 cents more than a click list pickup, so that's really, really good. As for the pricing of stuff, most of the Kroger brand stuff is the same price that you'd find in a store. But the non-Kroger brand stuff is a little bit more than in the store, but for the most part, it's not a huge difference. And again, it arrives in 2 business days. That's really, really good. You can't get fresh stuff just yet, so this is all, pre-packaged, non-perishable stuff. And while I'm showing you one box right now, I actually have another box, which you might see off to the corner there, because this did arrive in 2 different shipments, so they actually shipped stuff as it was ready to ship rather than waiting, so that was really neat. And I didn't get double charged for shipping or anything like that. So if you look at the order summary there, that's everything we got, everything that's in this box, and everything in another box, so not bad. Let's take a look. So this came from Las Vegas. I believe there's a distribution center over there, so not too far to come to Portland. So here's a quick look at what we got. We got a little divider there, dish soap kind of in its own separate bag, so that looks very nice at first glance. Looks like the gallon bags might have gotten a little bit smushed, but that's not too bad. Peanuts got a little banged up there in shipping. Let's see. Oh yeah, we got all the soaps and stuff. Oh, actually, that's an interesting choice. So I got hand soap, rinse aid for the dishwasher, dish soap, and Kroger Nutella in the same bag. So that's a little bit of a weird choice, that last one there. But other than that, I can't complain with that. Let's see. Toothpicks look good. Hey, it was $1. I was trying to get $35 worth of stuff to, get free shipping. Oatmeal, a little bit bumped there, but otherwise, box looks pretty good, about what you'd find at a store. All important sweet and salty bars are in good shape. Those will be coming with me to the office. Let's see, on this side, again, it's a little bit smushed on the storage bags, but otherwise good shape. Let's see, cereal. Looks like that's all in good shape. And let's see, we got some Simply Classic Trail Mix. Again, I was just trying to throw stuff in there to meet the $35 shipping, which was actually kind of hard to do. Lens wipes, good to have for the office, so those will be coming to the office. Let's see, what else we got? Matcha green tea latte mix. Again, literally just trying to beat the $35 free shipping. And we have Kroger Pop-Tarts. So that's box 1. Let's set that aside, as everything's going to fall when I move the box that it's leaning against. And let's take a look at box 2. This one is slightly bigger. Let's zoom in a little bit there, so a little bit bigger. Got some more brown paper to toss out of the way. And in here, let's see, we got another order summary. So, again, in this box and in another box. Really don't know why each one has a different page. Oh, actually, here we go. This is interesting. This is different from the other box. So this actually has who packaged it. That's kind of cool. ClickList just started doing that with stamps. This actually didn't ship separately. This actually ended up getting canceled because it was out of stock. So, oh well. Other than that, like, everything I ordered arrived. So we got tissues here. Ooh, Those got very smushed. Alright. Napkins obviously didn't get smushed. Those are in good shape. We got some flushable moist wipes. Hey, they're nicer than toilet paper. But this is probably our biggest casualty. Ew. That's kind of really smushed there. Cereal sounds okay. And last but not least, tissues, because 'tis the season. There you have it. That's not bad. I think I will probably be doing that again sometime soon, because again, it's $5 to ship if you don't meet the 35 minimum, so I can, totally do that. And I don't have to go drive to the store to pick it up like you do at ClickList, and it's, 5 cents more if I don't meet that 35, so game on, Amazon. Game on. That's it.